Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Codeigniter. Today we are going to solve the issue class location not found. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. To solve this issue, what we have to do, what I have done, I will tell you. Okay. So here we go with the you have to go with your PHP version. So if we haven't installed the PHP Intel, so make sure you have to install that one. Okay, that's very important. So I'm going to my folder directory etc php 8.2 apache 2, then sudo php nano, okay, cd. So you have to open this file, then you have to uncomment the extension Intel. Okay, if I just go and like do like this and control W and make sure you have to search with this, make sure this is uncommented. Okay, so this I have done in the CLI and the Apache, both one. Okay, so there are two folders. If I just go back, so here we have the, if I do the ls, then we have Apache 2 and the CLI. Both you have to open cd Apache 2, and they have also the PHP ni, so you have to do this thing both in the CLI and the Apache. CLI I think don't require, but Apache 2 you have to do it. After doing this, you are able to get this one. So just reload this and the Codeigniter. Welcome to the Codeigniter with 4.5.3. Okay, so here we go with, we have properly set up the project. Okay, so this is how you can fix this issue. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.